All right, we have a compound interest question here. And it says, how many years will it take for a debt to double at 42% per annum? And the debt is in compound interest. So let's go ahead and use the compound interest formula. So what we're looking for is the debt is going to equal, this is the new debt, is equal to the old debts. In this case, we're told we want the debt to double, so it's going to be twice the debt is equal to whatever the debt was to start with, times, and we've got an interest rate of 42%. So it's going to be 1 plus the interest rate divided by 100 times n, the number of years. I'm going to just rewrite that, say 2d is equal to d, and this is going to be 42%, so it's going to be 42 over 100, or 1 plus 42 over 100, which is 1.42. And we just want to know n, the number of years. So to find that, we're just going to divide both sides by d, d being debt. So 2 is equal to this thing here, which is 1 times, if you like, or 1.42 to the power of n. Now, the quick way of doing this, and this is the kind of the cheats way, is just to take the logarithm of both sides. So if I go log 2 is equal to log 1.42 to the power of n, and realizing that whenever you have a power of a logarithm, this becomes the coefficient of the logarithm. So that's going to be the log of 2 is equal to n times the log of 1.42. And probably should put those in brackets just for the fun of it. Now I'm going to divide both sides by the log of 1.42, divide by log of 1.42, put it in brackets, and I'm going to divide those out, leaving me with an n. So n is going to equal log 2, and I'll write this out so you can see it's just happening, so over 1.42. There it is. I put everything in brackets. Don't need to actually, but I think the examiners would probably like it if you did. Let's go ahead though and work out what that would be. So we're going to have, we'll put things in brackets, I wasn't going to, but log of 2 divided by the log of 1.42. And we end up with, oops, don't want to minus it. Let's see, 1.97, that's 1.98. 1.98, and that's years. Now, of course, in this, we really can't have incomplete years, so you have to have whole years. So if it was 1.1, it would still be 2 years. So this is going to be 2 years, 2 whole years, and that would be the answer.